Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Hopefully you guys are doing good. I've just received a parcel from all the way from Pakistan and I was thinking to unbox it with you guys and show you guys what stuff has come. So let's open the parcel. Here we go. A few layers of safety. Two bags, which I will show you guys at the end. Another parcel in the middle. Here we are, guys. So these are some bat protective sheets, which once they're docked, you can put them on the bat to protect it from damaging it. Some bat grips. Some original CA balls. Original CA. Our mallet to knock the bat. These are keeping gloves, which I didn't have, so I thought let's get it from Pakistan, which is plus 15,000, the top quality. Wow, they are good. These are the top quality keeping gloves. Some guards for the batsman. These are the best guards which you could get from Pakistan. Brilliant. Quite a few of those. Guys, some more grips, which are CA original grips. They are back. I think these are better quality than the other ones. Wow, they are good. A few of these. Some white balls, which are grade A. Very good ball. Very good ball. Here you go, Iris. Really good ball. He also ordered some kits to wear for one-day games. This is a trouser. A shirt with the channel name at the back. Brilliant. I think in total there are 4. Let's check this one. With the trousers. Another shirt with a different number. Nearly 10. Original Pakistani. Four of these. That's another pair. This is a jacket. This is cold. You can wear on top of your kit. Brilliant. That's another jacket with a number 10. Brilliant. So guys, come to the main thing. The 2 bags. First one is CA 15,000 Players Edition, top bat, all the way from Pakistan. Wow. Let's look at the grains. Clear grains. Says fully knocked, but I think you will still have to knock it. Grains are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 grains. Look at the thickness. Curve all the way to the toe. Brilliant. Let's have a look at the balance. Oh yes. It is good. It is good. Good thing to it. Let's have a look at the second one. Ambi Malik. Lala edition. Brilliant. Have a look at that. Brilliant. Amazing bag. Again. Let's check the grains. A lot of grains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Around about 18 to 20 clear grains. Brilliant. Very good bag. Let's check the pin. Brilliant. Amazing. Amazing. So these are the 2 bags in the kit. which came all the way from Pakistan. There you go, guys. Hopefully you like the vlog. Do subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you. See you in the next vlog.